Hello class. Today we are going to discuss a new chapter in science, chapter number 5. The chapter name is Conservation of Plants and Animals. Firstly, we discuss about the introduction. Our planet is home. Our planet is home to vast variety of plants and animals, each playing a crucial role in maintaining the balance of nature. Everyone playing crucial role. However, human activities like deforestation, pollution, and urbanization have put many species at risk of extinction. To protect and preserve this rich biodiversity, it is essential to conserve plants and animals. Conservation efforts help ensure that future generation can enjoy a healthy environment and the benefit of thriving ecosystem. One of the most important ways to protect plants and animals is by establishing protected areas like national parks, wildlife sanctuaries, and biosphere reserve. These are designated region where human activities are restricted to safeguard and natural habitat. तो कुछ बनाए गए हैं क्या क्या, जैसे है नेशनल पार्क्स, वाइल्ड लाइफ सेंचुरी, बायोस्फीयर रिजर्व्स एंड नेक्स्ट है अपना डिफॉरेस्टेशन. The earth is home to a vast variety of plants and animals, all of which play essential role in maintaining ecological balance and supporting human survival. ठीक है, सब अपना वाइटल रोल प्ले कर रहे हैं. However, one of the greatest threats to these organisms today is deforestation. सबसे बड़ा थ्रेट क्या है? डिफॉरेस्टेशन का है. डिफॉरेस्टेशन रेफर टू लार्ज स्केल क्लीनिंग और रिमूवल ऑफ फॉरेस्ट. लार्ज स्केल पे क्या हो रहा है? क्लीनिंग हो रही है, रिमूवल हो रहा है किसका? फॉरेस्ट का, यूजुअली फॉर अदर ह्यूमन एक्टिविटीज. ह्यूमन एक्टिविटीज के लिए द डिस्ट्रक्शन फॉर फॉरेस्ट disrupts habitats and leads to the loss of biodiversity. Forests are cut down for several reasons, including क्या क्या reasons हैं इसके? Producing land for agriculture, building house and factories, making furniture, and using wood as fuel. Next है consequence of deforestation. Deforestation का consequence है. इसके बाद आगे है conservation of forest and wildlife. After learning about the harmful effect of deforestation, Priya and Ravi felt deeply concerned about the future of forest and wildlife. Eager to know more conservation efforts, they turned to Professor Manish for guidance. Professor Manish, understanding their curiosity, organized an educational trip to Biosphere Reserve for Priya and Ravi, their classmate, and selected destination. ये एक स्टोरी है, वो जानना चाह रहे हैं किसके बारे में? बायोस्फीयर रिजर्व के बारे में. तो उनको कहाँ ले जाया गया? पंचमढ़ी बायोस्फीयर रिजर्व में. वो वहां पे जाएंगे, देखेंगे, चीजों को समझेंगे. इसके बाद आगे है वाइल्ड लाइफ सेंचुरी आर. देखिए यहाँ पे एक टीचर है जो एक्सप्लेन कर रहे हैं क्या कि माधव जी फर्दर एक्सप्लेन द डिफरेंस बिटवीन दीज प्रोटेक्टेड एरिया. तो अपन देखते हैं इनके बीच में क्या क्या डिफरेंस है. तो सबसे पहला है वाइल्ड लाइफ सेंचुरीज. वाइल्ड लाइफ सेंचुरीज आर प्लेस वेयर एनिमल्स आर प्रोटेक्टेड इन देयर नेचुरल हैबिटेट. जो नेचुरल हैबिटेट होता है उसी में प्रोटेक्ट किया जाता है. सम ह्यूमन एक्टिविटीज आर अलाउड बट द मोस्ट हार्म एनिमल्स, बट they must not harm the animals. फिर आता है नेशनल पार्क्स आर रीजन where both animals and their habitat are strictly protected. यहाँ पे strictly protect किया जाता है. Human activity like hunting, lodging and agriculture are prohibited. इसके बाद आएगा अपना biosphere reserve. Are large areas that are not only conserve biodiversity but also promote the sustainable use of natural resource by local communities. Local community को जो यूज नेचुरल प्रोडक्ट होते हैं उसको सस्टेनेबली यूज करना भी सिखाया जाता है. बायोस्फीयर एंड biodiversity. The biosphere is the part of earth where life exists. It includes all the region of the planet on land, in water and even in the atmosphere where living organism can survive the thrive. This vast zone supports every type of life from from the smallest microorganism to the largest animal and plant. The biosphere is essential for maintaining life because it provides the necessary conditions such as water and nutrition that living organisms need to survive. इसके बाद अपन देखेंगे biodiversity. Biodiversity plays a crucial role in maintaining the health of biosphere. Biosphere की health को maintain करने के लिए biodiversity का crucial role होता है. The different organisms interact in complex ways, forming ecosystem where each species has a role, whether a producer, consumer, and decomposer. This interrelation ensure the balance of nature, helping to regulate climate, recycle nutrition, purifying air and water, and support food chain. Food chain में भी एक दूसरे को support करते हैं. Protected areas for conservation of flora and fauna, their habitat. To protect the rich diversity of flora, plants, and fauna animals, along with their natural habitat, certain regions have been designated as protected area. These areas are known as wildlife sanctuaries, national parks, and biosphere reserve. Each of these protected zones play a crucial role in conserving biodiversity by preventing activity that could harm the environment and wildlife. Harmful activities such as plantation, cultivation, grazing, cutting down trees, hunting, and poaching are strictly prohibited in this region. तो wildlife sanctuary में है क्या? These areas specially set aside for protection of animals and their natural habitat. Within a wildlife sanctuary, animals are shielded from any kind of disturbance, allowing them to live and thrive in their natural environment. National park is a region that are reserved exclusively for the protection of wildlife and natural environment. In these areas, animals and plants can freely use for habitat and resources without interference from human activities. National park offer a higher level of protection compared to wildlife sanctuaries with strict regulation. इसके बाद है biosphere reserve. Biosphere reserve are large areas of protected lands designed to conserve not only wildlife but also the plant life and culture heritage of the indigenous tribal people living in the animal areas. These reserves are unique because they focus on conservation and sustainable development, ensuring that the natural resources are used in a way that benefits both the environment and the people who depend on them. A biosphere reserve typically has 3 zones. Biosphere reserve के जो होते हैं वो typically कितने zone होते हैं? 3 zone. फर्स्ट होता है कोर जोन, फिर होता है बफर जोन, फिर होता है ट्रांजिशन जोन. ठीक है. इसके बाद है सम मेजर वाइल्ड लाइफ सेंचुरी, नेशनल पार्क एंड बायोस्फीयर रिजर्व इन इंडिया. कुछ नाम दे रखे बायोस्फीयर रिजर्व्स के, खुद से रीड करेंगे. पहला है कांजीरंगा वाइल्ड लाइफ सेंचुरी आसाम, भरतपुर वाइल्ड लाइफ सेंचुरी राजस्थान, राजनाथ रणथंबोर राजस्थान, बांधवगढ़ मध्य प्रदेश, सुंदरबन वेस्ट बंगाल, पेरियार केरला, चंदोली महाराष्ट्र, नागरहोल कर्नाटका. कुछ नेशनल पार्क जिम कॉर्बेट उत्तराखंड, रणथंबोर राजस्थान, बांदीपुर कर्नाटका, कान्हा मध्य प्रदेश, सुंदरबन वेस्ट बंगाल, नागरहोल कर्नाटका, गिर गुजरात, पेरियार नेशनल पार्क केरला. बायोस्फीयर रिजर्व के भी नाम दे रखे. आगे है बायोस्फीयर रिजर्व. चिल्ड्रन अलोंग विद प्रोफेसर मनीष एंड माधव जी एग्जैक्टली एंटर द पंचमढ़ी रिजर्व. ये घूमने गए थे, इसके बारे में अब ये जानेंगे. इसके बाद है आगे फ्लोरा एंड फौना. अभी थोड़ा सा जाना था फ्लोरा एंड फौना के बारे में, डीपली जानेंगे. एज अ चिल्ड्रन स्ट्रॉल थ्रू द पंचमढ़ी बायोस्फीयर रिजर्व, दे आर memorized by lush greenery and rich diversity of life surrounding them. Towering peak trees stretch high into the sky while various animals roam freely in the air natural habitat. The air is filled with the sounds of chirping birds and rustling leaves, creating a vibrant atmosphere that reflects the green wealth of the forest. यहाँ पे कौन कौन से साल के, टीक के, मैंगो के, जामुन के, सिल्वर फर्न्स, अर्जुन ट्रीज. ठीक है. इसके बाद आगे है यहाँ पे कुछ डायग्राम दे रखे हैं, ये भी वहां पे थे. चीतल, लेपर्ड, वाइल्ड डॉग, वुल्फ. ठीक है. फौना फ्लोरा के कुछ एग्जाम्पल इसमें बताए गए हैं. स्पीशीज. As the group quietly enters the dense deep forest, the children are startled by the sight of very large squirrel. Its size and especially its big fluffy tail capture their attention. वहाँ पे उनको एक क्या मिली? स्क्वायरल मिली, जिसकी टेल कैसी थी? फ्लफी थी, है ना. तो उसको वो देख के बहुत क्यूरियसिटी के साथ देखा, तो वो बड़े खुश हुए कि जाना. फिर उनको पता चला ये क्या है, एक तरीके की स्पीसीज है स्क्वायरल की, है ना. इसमें अब आके देखेंगे अपन. ही एक्सप्लेन दैट वाइल्ड स्पीशीज ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ बीइंग थ्रेटेंड एंड एक्सटिंक्ट आर बीइंग क्लासिफाइड इनटू डिफरेंट कैटेगरीज. यहाँ पे एंडेमिक स्पीसीज, वनरेबल, एंडेंजर्ड स्पीशीज, क्रिटिकली एंडेंजर्ड स्पीसीज होती है, जिसे एक बुक में लिखा जाता है कि कौन किस कैटेगरी की है. इसके बाद है अपना वाइल्ड लाइफ सेंचुरी. As they continue their journey, Priya noticed a large board with the words Panchmani Wildlife Sanctuary written on it. This piques her interest, and soon Professor Manish begins explain the significance of wildlife sanctuary. He informs that the group of these protected area, the killing, poaching, and capturing of animal is strictly prohibited by law. Violating these rules leads to serious punishment, ensuring that animals in this region are safe from human harm. Next है difference between a zoo and wildlife sanctuary. Zoos are places where animals are kept in enclosure, often in an artificial environment for the public to view. While zoos provide food and medical care to animal, the creature live in confined space, which are often much smaller than their natural habitats. Zoos focus on education, research, and sometimes breeding and endangered species, but they lack the large free and natural environment and wildlife sanctuary. आगे है national park. As the children continue journey, they notice a new sign by the roadside. The reads Satpura National Park. Excited by the possibility of exploring this area, the children eagerly look forward to the visit. Madhavji begins explaining the significance of national park. He tells them that these reserves are designed to be. He tells them that these reserves are designed to be the large and diverse enough to protect entire ecosystem, meaning that they preserve the plants, flora, animal, fauna, land space, and even historic objects found in the region. National park are areas that focus not only on wildlife but also on the entire environment and supports it. ठीक है, आगे है Project Tiger. Project Tiger, a government initiative launched to protect India's endangered tiger. The goal of the project is to ensure the survival and growth of the tiger population in the country. While many species are at risk, the tiger is one of the most iconic animal that is slowly disappearing from forests across India. However, Satpura Tiger Reserve has seen a significant increase in tiger number, making a key success story in the fight to save majestic animals. इसके बाद next है Red Data Book. The Red Data Book is a vital source that keeps an official record of all endangered species in animal and plants. It is an internationally recognized document maintained by globally organizations like the International Union for Conservation of Nature, IUCN. कौन रखता है इसको? IUCN रखता है. इसके बाद माइग्रेशन रेफर टू द सीजनल मूवमेंट ऑफ एनिमल from one place to another place, typically in response to change in weather, temperature, for availability for food. Migratory bird are a common example of these. These birds fly great distance every year, moving from one part of the world to another during a particular season. The reason of the movement is often linked to climatic change in their original habitat. केवला देवी नेशनल पार्क भरतपुर, इसमें आता है ना माइग्रेटरी बर्ड्स आते हैं. इसके बाद है अपना रिफॉरेस्टेशन सोल्यूशन. डिफॉरेस्टेशन इज अ सोल्यूशन टू डिफॉरेस्टेशन. अगर डिफॉरेस्टेशन को रोकना है तो अपन को क्या करना पड़ेगा, रिफॉरेस्टेशन, ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा पेड़ लगाने पड़ेंगे. ठीक है. इसके बाद है अपने चैप्टर के टर्मिनोलॉजी. टर्मिनोलॉजी में फर्स्ट है अपना बायोडाइवर्सिटी, द वैरायटी ऑफ लिविंग ऑर्गेनिज्म existing on the earth. Biodiversity, biosphere, the part of the earth which support life or where living organisms exist. Conservation, the wise and judicious use of natural resources. Desertification, the process of conservation of a fertile land into a desert ecosystem. All the living organisms along with the non-living components of an area. Endemic species of plant and animals which are found exclusive in particular geographical area and nowhere else in the world. Fauna, animal found in particular area. Flora, different plants growing in a particular area. Reforestation, planting a new trees where forests have been destroyed. इसके बाद अपनी है चैप्टर रिकैप. चैप्टर रिकैप का फर्स्ट पॉइंट है वाइल्ड लाइफ सेंचुरी, नेशनल पार्क एंड बायोस्फीयर रिजर्व आर designated area focused on conserving forest and protecting wild animals. Biodiversity refers to the variety of living organisms found in species specific region. The plants and animals of a given area are collectively known as its flora and fauna. Endemic species are unique to particular region and are not found anywhere else. Endangered species are those that are at risk of extinction. The Red Data Book serves as a record of endangered species, providing important information for conservation efforts. Migration is the seasonal movement of species from their natural habitat to another location of specific purpose, such as breeding. To help conserve our resource, we should save, reuse and recycle paper, which in turn helps to protect trees, conserve energy and save water. Reforestation involves replenishing damaged forest by planting new trees. इसके बाद नेक्स्ट है असाइनमेंट. असाइनमेंट का फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज नॉट कंसिक्वेंस ऑफ डिफॉरेस्टेशन. इसका आंसर होगा क्या, इंक्रीज इन बायोडाइवर्सिटी. द Panchmani Wildlife Sanctuary is located in India state, Madhya Pradesh. What is the term of a species that is at high risk of extinction in the wild? इसका आंसर होगा endangered. Which of the following is not a strategy for conservation of forest? आंसर होगा regulated hunting. What is the primary purpose of biosphere reserve? इसका आंसर होगा क्या, टू कंजर्व जेनेटिक रिसोर्स. विच ऑफ दिस इज एन एग्जाम्पल ऑफ एंडेमिक स्पीशीज? इसका होगा बंगाल टाइगर. नेक्स्ट है fill in the blank. The variety of plant and animal species in a given area is called biodiversity. The Satpura range is home to diverse dash and dash lion and tiger. A dash is an area where human activity is restricted to protect location, protected area. Dash species are those found only in a particular geographical location. Endemic. The process of restoring a deforested area is called reforestation. इसके बाद नेक्स्ट अपना ट्रू एंड फॉल्स. डिफॉरेस्टेशन हैज नो इम्पैक्ट ऑन क्लाइमेट चेंज. फॉल्स. All endangered species are also endemic species. True. Biosphere reserve are divided into core and buffer zone. False. False. Wildlife sanctuary provide more protection than national parks. True. Reforestation can help mitigate some effect of deforestation. True. Next up now. Very short answer type question. Short answer type question. Give reason, higher order thinking, life scale project and activities. इसके बाद है assertion, reason based question and additional question. आप खुद से करेंगे अपनी कॉपी में. इसके बाद मिलेंगे हम नेक्स्ट चैप्टर में. टिल देन गुड बाय.